Hello everyone. In our previous two videos of introduction to history, we have finished our explanation. Now today in this video we will solve exercise question answers which has given in the Karnataka state syllabus. In this first bit it is fill in the blanks. The first question, the father of history is. Okay, who is called as father of history? For this the correct answer is Herodotus. First one answer is Herodotus. Second question is dash established the Asiatic society, यानी कि the person who has established this society. For this the correct answer for second one Sir William Jones. Now next it is second bit, answer the following questions in a sentence. First question, what is history? यानी कि history क्या है? The answer is the systematic presentation of past event is called as history. Whenever we are presenting past events को हम systematically present कर रहे हैं तो that time it is called as history. Okay, particularly whenever history come you have to remember past event, that is called as history. Now the second question, who is the father of history? To which country does he belongs to? Answer, Herodotus of Greek. यानी कि the father of history was Herodotus and he belongs to a country of Greece. Now the third question, why there cannot be history without sources? यानी कि sources के अगर history क्यों नहीं है? Because historical evidences are necessary to be particular and authentic about history. One cannot construct history without sources. For this I have well explanation also have said, whenever we are writing, we are constructing history, we have to give more importance on accuracy, like when, where, what, these things. For this reason we need sources. Now the next fourth question is list the historical sources. Okay, literary sources and archaeological sources. Two types of sources are there. Firstly it is literary source and secondly it is archaeological source. Now the fifth question is what are archaeological sources? यानी कि archaeological sources के meaning क्या है? Means the physical remains or the ruins of the things used or constructed structure in the past are archaeological sources. Like examples like coins, inscriptions and monuments. Means what is archaeological sources? Means in the past what things we are using and they are having the remains or the ruins. This is called as archaeological sources. Like inscriptions is there, coins are there, monuments are there. In monuments like fort, palaces, temples, all these things are the examples of archaeological sources. Now the fourth bit is match the following. Here you have to match the items in a list A with those of list B. Here first it has given us Kalidas. You have to match with the work, with their work or with the books whatever they have written. Here Kalidas book is Shakuntala. For this the first one answer Shakuntala. Now the second one is Max Muller. He is a famous historian and his book is Sacred Book of the East. For second one answer is Sacred Book of the East. Third one is James Mill. For this the correct answer History of India. This is the book written by James Mill. For this reason third one answer History of India. Last fourth one it is William Jones and his book is The Asiatic Society. Here for first one Shakuntala, second one Sacred Book of the East, third one History of India and the fourth one is The Asiatic Society. Here we have completed all the exercise bits. Hope it is clear for you. If you are having any doubt you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.